Basic Nutrition and Meal Preparation. Video presentation by Group 4. Here are the group members. Before we proceed to this video, let us first know all the important details about foods. Let's start with: what is nutrition? Nutrition is the biochemical and physiological process by which an organism uses food to support its life. Nutrition is very important because it protects us against many chronic non-communicable diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Eating a variety of foods and consuming less salt, sugars, and saturated and industrially produced trans fats are essential for healthy diet. How does diet impact health? A healthy diet gives your body the nutrients it needs to perform physically, maintain wellness, and fight disease. A healthy diet helps children grow and develop properly and reduces their risk of chronic diseases. Adults who eat a healthy diet live longer and have a lower risk of obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Healthy cooking. When preparing food, aim to preserve the nutrient value of the food and utilize healthy fats, reasonable portions, and whole foods. Here are a few tips. 1. Use healthy cooking methods such as steaming, broiling, grilling, and roasting. 2. Cook foods in as little water and for as short a period of time as possible to preserve all water-soluble vitamins B and C. 3. Use a variety of herbs and spices for additional flavor, rather than relying on salt alone. 4. Avoid packaged or processed foods, which are likely to contain added salt, sugar, and fats. Recognize that consuming these foods increases your intake of salt, sugar, and fats considerably, often without knowing specifically what or how much. Here is our healthy foods menu. We have for breakfast, creamy carrot soup; lunch, steamed pompano fish; dinner, chicken and broccoli stir-fry with plain rice. The first one in our menu is creamy carrot soup, which is for the breakfast. The ingredients are carrots, creamy soup powder, spring onion water. Let's proceed to the actual video of the procedure. As you can see, the cook is mixing half-cooked carrot swish, creamy soup powder, and water. The cook is making side dish orange for the creamy carrot soup. This is the finished product of creamy carrot soup. Nutrition trivia. The fiber in carrots can help keep blood sugar levels under control, and they are loaded with vitamin A and beta-carotene, which there is evidence to suggest that it can lower your diabetes risk. They can also strengthen your bones. Carrots have calcium and vitamin K, BOTH, which are important for bone health. For the majority of people, and as part of a balanced, healthy diet, carrots are generally recognized as safe, unless you have an allergy to them. Therapeutic diet: creamy carrot soup. Soft diet is most recommended dietary plan for people who are unable to chew or have swallowing issues, and the creamy carrot soup is one of the best dish to serve. The next one in our menu is the steamed pompano fish, which is for lunch. The ingredients are pompano fish, garlic, onion, ginger, lemon, Chinese parsley, kimchi, salt, pepper. Let's proceed to the actual video of the procedure. First thing to do is to rinse the pompano fish with clean water. The group members gather to prepare the ingredients needed and arrange them in order to pick it easily went out in the pan. Chopping and re-adding garlic, onion, and Chinese parsley kimchi. Sprinkling some salt over the pompano fish with kimchi in order to intensify its flavor and to dry it out. Adding some lemon in order to have a good scent of ramen to get rid of the smell of pompano fish. Covering the pompano fish with aluminum foil and re-dyeing for steaming. Waiting for the water to boil in order to put the steamer above and place the pompano fish over it in 20 minutes. Here is the steamed pompano fish. Steamed pompano fish. Nutrition trivia. The pompano fish is nutritious and delicious. It is a good source of B12, selenium, protein, calcium, vitamin A, phosphorus, potassium, and vitamin D. Olive oil is jam-packed with antioxidants and heart-healthy fats. Plus, it's been studied extensively for its many health benefits, with some research suggesting that it could protect against heart disease, combat cancer, and alleviate inflammation. Lemon contains a high amount of vitamin C, soluble fiber, and plant compounds that give them a number of health benefits. It can also aid weight loss and reduce your risk of heart disease, anemia, kidney stones, digestive issues, and cancer. Therapeutic steamed pompano fish diet is the right dietary plan designed to those people who needs to limit the fat intake or fat-free foods like the fish almonds, which are rich in folic acids that decreases blood levels and reduces the chance of having a heart disease. The last one in our menu is chicken and broccoli stir-fry. The ingredients are chicken, broccoli, sesame seeds, garlic, onion, oyster sauce, olive oil. Let's proceed to the actual video of the procedure. Put the chopped chicken in the boiling water for about 20 minutes. The boiled chicken is ready. Time to get the pieces in a plate. Cut the pieces of chicken into smaller parts again so it will be easier to consume when we eat. While they're busy chopping it into smaller parts, let's have a brief diet regulations and health reminders. The main recommendation is to follow a healthy eating pattern that incorporates a variety of nutrient-dense foods and beverages. These are the guidelines and reminders seconded that you 1. Consume mostly nutrient-dense foods, which include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fat-free and low-fat dairy products, lean meats, and seafood. 2. Consume fewer foods with sodium, salt, saturated fats, trans fats, cholesterol, added sugars, and refined grains. 3. Balance calories with physical activity to maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of chronic disease. As you can see on the screen, they are already inked garlic and onion with olive oil. So now, let's just tackle some safe food preparation while they're busy cooking. Foodborne illnesses don't just come from restaurants. In fact, they usually come from bad food preparation, serving, and storage at home. Follow the guidelines to keep your food as safe as possible. 1. Wash hands and surfaces often using hot, soapy water. Wash your hands before and after you handle food or utensils, especially raw meat, poultry, fish, or eggs. 2. Wash all fruits and vegetables before eating. 3. Separate raw, cooked, and ready-to-eat foods. Keep raw meat, poultry, fish, or eggs away from other foods to prevent cross-contamination. If possible, use separate cutting boards for these foods. If not, be sure to wash cutting boards carefully with soap between uses. Now, the chopped broccoli is just added in the pan while busy sauteing. 4. Cook foods to a safe temperature using a food thermometer. Uncooked or undercooked animal products can be unsafe. 5. Keep hot foods hot above 140 degrees and cold foods cold below 40 degrees to prevent bacteria growth. Refrigerate foods within 2 hours of purchase or preparation 1 hour if the temperature is higher than 90 degrees. 6. When in doubt, throw it out. If you are not sure that food has been prepared, served, or stored properly, throw it out. If food has been left out for more than 2 hours, throw it out. Eat cooked leftovers within 4 days. While we're waiting for the end of this video, let's add the 8th thing show to make eating a positive experience. 1. Start small. 2. Acknowledge and honor your hunger. Lestino your body. 3. Get rid of distractions. Turn off the television or screen. 4. Engage with your food before, during, and after your meal. 5. Eat with others. Share a meal or your food. 6. Take your time. 7. Stop before you feel full. 8. Have fun and enjoy. Finally, the chopped chicken was added in the pan. It is almost done. Chicken and broccoli stir fry. Nutrition trivia. For vitamin A, it is found on both chicken and broccoli. This vitamin is essential for muscle, lung, and heart function. The iron is beneficial for your overall health. Both chicken and broccoli contains iron. So, when you utilize them in a recipe, you are improving your overall health. To break it down, iron promotes brain health, fights off blood diseases, soothes anemia, improves circulation, and helps keep your muscles functioning properly. Both broccoli and chicken also contains calcium. When you consume the recommended daily allowance of calcium, you are protecting your bones from diseases such as osteoarthritis and osteoporosis. Calcium is a necessity for bony health. Therapeutic D chicken and broccoli stir-fry. Low and high fiber diet. Chicken is for the low fiber diet. This may suggested after some types of surgery, diarrhea, cramping, or trouble digesting foods. On the other hand, the broccoli, which is high in fiber, this may lower the risk of developing hemorrhoids, colorectal cancer, and small pouches in the colon.